As there has been many variations of the cope cage, they seem to add little value as they don't help against artillery rounds, tank rounds, anti-tank weapons, and FPV drones can fairly easily avoid them, while still not adding an effective protection even when the drone strikes the cope cage. But here a tank had an extra large cope cage that covered the entire turret. This still leaves, however, Ukraine's drone operator's favorite position to strike, which is the top back section over the engine, as the low armor and sensitive parts under lets the warhead penetrate and cause heavy damage. As seen here again also, it often leads to a fire being created, destroying the tank and sometimes leading to the ammunition detonating, showing the poor effect of the cope cage once again, resulting in another of Russia's tanks destroyed, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.